Hello everyone. Today we have to learn the empty sets, finite, infinite, and equal sets. So we have to know the first of all we should know the definition of all the sets so that we can apply all these in our second exercise, that is 1.2. Okay. See, let's start. First is your empty set. Empty set can also known as null set or void set. Fine. So empty set means what? Null, as the name you can guess, null set. That is the month having 32 days. So there is no month in which you will get 32 days. Okay. So this is example of null set. Okay. Similarly, the set which is not possible, that is known as null set. All odd natural numbers exactly divisible by 2. Is it possible? They are not exactly divisible by 2. Okay. So it is also a void set or null set, you can say. Fine. X is third part, we are taking example here. X is greater than 5 but less than 3. Is it possible? X, the value of X is greater than 5. That means it may be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or these values can be less than 3. No, it is not possible. So it is a example of empty set. Got it? Okay. Now, the next is finite and infinite sets. So we are taking this example, set of all even numbers. If we will talk about the set of all even numbers, so we can write this set like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dot 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 dot. Okay. So where the elements are not finite, okay, so there is a sign of dot 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 up to last. So these kinds of sets are known as infinite sets. Okay. For you can take another example, set of all odd numbers. So it may be 1, 3, 5, dot 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 dot. So it is also example of infinite set. Okay. Now for finite set, here I am just writing set of all even numbers less than 12. So here we are giving an instruction. Okay, we are giving a limit. So less than 12, that means it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is here we have only 5 elements. So it may be finite. So it is known as finite set. So this is a difference between finite and infinite sets. Okay. Yes. The next is your equal set. Let me adjust the next page first. Here it is. Okay. Now, equal sets. Here a set is given to us in which the 4 elements 1, 2, 3, 4 are coming, and similarly B is another set in which the elements 2, 1, 4, 3 are given. Similarly C is another set. Okay. So from here we can see that for equal sets the number of elements must be equal. Number of elements must be, wait, it is not, number of elements must be equal and or element must be same in any order. Okay, that means if it has a if you're taking the example of A and C here, see A and C, the elements 4 here, elements 4 both have a 4 number of elements are same. Okay, first condition satisfying, but all the element must be same. Here 1 is coming, 2 is coming, 3 is not coming here in C. So we have to check the elements. Element must be same, but the order can be anything. Okay, number of elements and element must be same. So here A and C are not equal sets. They are not equal set. Okay, but if you will see A and B, you can see A and B here 1 3 1 2, it is 2 not 3, it is 2, 1 2 3 4, and here it is 2 1 4 3. Okay, so it is 2 1, 2 1 4 3. So you can check 1 is coming, 2 is coming, 3 is coming, 4 is coming. So they are equal sets. Okay, so this is a definition of equal set. Okay, after getting this concept, you can start your second exercise. Okay, bye bye, take care.